Hello attendees! First, delete the default objects because today we're going to be learning how to create a chain using Blender's geometry nodes. Afterward, add a torus mesh. Increase its resolution to whatever you want. Go to front view, go into wireframe mode. Select all the vertices above the x-axis and move them forward in the y-axis, whichever distance you want. Go back to object mode and set the origin to the center of mass. Set its position back to the origin. Assign this mesh a new material. And then click the Shading tab. Here add a Noise Texture node. Then add a Divide node. To do this, add a Math node and then change its function to Divide. Connect the nodes, then set its value to -4.5. Then, add a Vector Add node. Afterward, connect all the nodes and add RGB input node. Once that's done, change the values to the ones shown on the screen. Now that we've created the metal material, go back to the Layout tab and hide the object. In its place, add any curve. Now we've got to add a geometry node to create our chain. To do this, follow the steps I'm showing you. Now hit N to display this tab. Add a new input, I'll be naming mine size. After that's done, add a curve length node, and attach it to subtract node, created just like we created the multiply node. Then add a trim curve node, and set it to length. Again, add a multiply node. Attach everything to two curve to points nodes. Now add an object info node and select the torus created earlier. For the last time, add and connect a multiply node before adding a scale elements node. Connect the 2 points and instance to two instance on points nodes. Then add two rotate instance nodes to make all links adjacent to each other perpendicular to each other into the curve. Finally, combine the ending instances with a join geometry node. With that, we've completed the geometry node for the chain. As you can see, our chain looks great, and I can change the size of the individual links within it. I can also, if I clear this mesh, draw any curve I want to convert to a chain. Here's an example of something I created.